कॅसिनो आनी ऑनलायन गॅमलिंगे वयले GST उणो करपा विशीं हांवें केन्नाच सांगलें ना. खरें म्हटल्यार तो पयल्या सारको 28% आसचो अशें म्हजें मत आसा. ह्या विशीं आयज जावपी GST कावन्सिलाचे बसकेक सविस्तर चर्चा जातली. कॅसिनो, हॉर्स रेसींग आनी ऑनलायन गेमींगचेर GST कितलो आसचो हें आयच्या बसकेंत थारतलें अशें मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगलें.
It is like this. It is a joint meeting. Concerns as regards entire gambling industry, whether it is horse racing, whether it is casinos, whether it is online gaming. So all that will be discussed. It is supposed to be confidential what we discuss. I am not allowed to tell what, because ultimately it is a case of taxation which comes into play. But one thing I want to make very clear: impression is being created that at present it is being taxed at 28%.
Correct.
I am trying to get it lower to 18%. Neither it is the demand of the industry, neither my demand taxation should be lowered. It has to remain a constant 28. In fact, in earlier meetings, when there were attempts being made from certain corners to reduce taxation, it was me who said it should be a constant 28+%.